Nice, huh?
No, not good at all.
My concern is it's a lot of in the water, and if it don't start, we're really in trouble then.
You know, if it won't start, it's definitely not coming out of there.
The 52-ton excavator has been in the swamp, submerged up to its engine housing for over an hour.
Mitch, Brennan, grab a couple hose and help pull me out of here. You ready? It just died. Oh, this is gonna be bad.
Got your safety up. There you go, we can get it.
Come on.
It's really leaning on this corner.
Scoot over this way.
Oh man, it's really leaning now.
Stop! Jeez. Oh, I'm pulling on a lot of stuck machines in the mud, but not this bad. It's suctioned in at the bottom, it's all that mud. It's like quicksand, so you sink instantly.
This isn't working. There's so much mud in here.
We just gotta get the mud out so we can break the suction. It's gonna be messy. Maybe we can just pull out some of this soft stuff here, and then we kind of work this down a little bit.
Yeah.
Mitch and Brennan must dig a hole beside the stranded excavator to allow air between the thick mud and the machine.
Nice mud.
We gotta do this as fast as we can here because the machine's sinking as we speak. It's moving. Come on, go, go, go. Get in it, Parker.
With the suction broken, Mitch and Brennan have one more shot at pulling the excavator free.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. I should be able to make it.
Spin it.
I should be able to get out of here.
Slick, Rick?
Give it.
I'm glad that worked.
Yeah.
No damage other than a door, it looks like. So we got really lucky. We could have lost that whole machine. It could be scrap metal, so glad it came out as good as it did.